Bitino, yung tanong kanina, I believe ni Senator Sherwin sa inyo, sino nagpakilala sa inyo kay Charlotte? Kilala nyo ba itong taong ito na si Liu Dong? At siya ba? Liu Dong alias Boga. Siya ba ang nagpakilala sa inyo kay Charlotte? O Liye ba yung sinabi niyong totoong pangalan? Chinese name ni Charlotte.
Shelly po.
Sorry, Shelly
Yes,
or
Madam
Charlotte.
Chair.
Si Liu Dong ba, alias Boga, ang nagpakilala sa inyo ni Shelly o ni Charlotte?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po siya, Madam Chair, sorry, hindi ko po siya kilala.
Hindi mo kilala itong taong ito. Ngayon, naalala mo na ba sino, kung hindi man itong si Liu Dong alias Boga, naalala mo na ba kung sino nagpakilala sa inyo ni Charlotte or Shelly?
Madam Chair, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, nakilala ko po siya doon na lang sa loob po yata.
Saan po?
Nakilala ko na lang po siya nung, parang hindi ko po sigurado, parang, tawag po dito, nakilala ko na lang po siya as the manager of nung nag-rent po sa amin.
Sabi mo kanina, nakilala mo siya sa loob ng...
I mean, nakilala ko po siya dahil siya yung manager ng Lucky South po.
Si Charlotte o si Shelly ang manager
Yes
ng
po.
Lucky South?
Yes po.
So, sinong nagpakilala sa inyo nung manager ng Lucky South?
Wala po akong matandaan right now. Bali, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, baka pinakilala na lang po siya sa akin nung mga nagre-rent po doon.
Sinong mga nagre-rent yun?
Hindi ko na po talaga matandaan yung pangalan, Madam Chair.
Alright, so 5 minutes, still we suspend. Ms. Cassandra, may question, i-field ko para sa Senate President Pro Tempore. Mr. Yang Jianxian, kung yung steel business nyo ay induction furnace na galing sa China, yan ba yung Sanja ba yun? Yan ba yung negosyo ng Sanja, yung steel na gawa ng induction furnace galing sa China? Ms. Caroline.
请问那个你的三强公司他们使用的这些钢铁的技术那个机器就是这种机它有这种机器吗？
什么？
你们三强公司使用的机器叫做什么？
就是那个炼钢铁的机器啊。
炼钢铁 Yes, it is the steel furnace.
It is the steel, or it's the induction furnace. Induction furnace ba?
Yes, when you say 炼钢铁, it's like a molding.
Okay.
Yeah, molding the steel.
So
Is that
yun
what you
yung
mean?
induction furnace na tinatawag.
所以你们的机器就是炼钢铁机器，对吗？
就是用那个废铁下去烧，再炼出来的。
Yes, it's the furnace, the induction furnace.
All right. Well, for the record, induction furnace yung gamit ng Sanja, yan ang kinikilalang substandard na steel na lumulunod sa market sa ngayon. Yung induction furnace na pinamimigay daw na libre sa China dahil obsolete na doon at para hindi tayo makatayo ng honest steel industry dito sa Pilipinas. Mr. Yang, nasaan ang steel nyo? Yung steel na ginawa di umano sa Sanja.
OK，所以你们生产出的钢铁现在在哪里呢？
在哪里销售是吧？
现在在哪里？它们存在哪里？
生产的钢铁是吧？
是的。
在那个达古兰三家的仓库里面呢、三家厂里啊。
So the manufactured steel right now are kept in the warehouse.
Saan yung warehouse?
那个仓库在哪里？
就是在三家的工厂里面啊。
So it's inside the factory of Sanja.
Inside the factory of Sanja. Where is the factory of Sanja located?
三家的工厂在哪里？
在那个达古兰的那个经济开发区里面。
达古兰。 是什么地方？开发区。
Takuran
Dakuran. It's in Dakuran. Dakuran.
那个经济开发区吧。
Like the economic development area.
Sorry, Miss Caroline, pakiulit.
It is in Dakuran Economic Development Area.
In the
Dakuran.
Takuran?
Dakulan.
Takuluan.
Tagoloan
Yeah.
Economic Development Area. I heard another name, is it called FIVIDEC?
Oh, PPD.
FIVIDEC.
Oh, PPD.
Sino po nagbigay ng permit sa inyo na mag-stock ng steel ng Sanja sa FIVIDEC?
所以您把这些钢铁存在你们的仓库，谁给你们这个许可证？
我们都有许可证啊，全部有啊，手续都完整啊。
所以这个存在仓库的钢铁哪里得到的许可证？哪里得到的？
我不明白，就是说什么存在仓库的许可证啊？
就是你们如何把这些钢铁存在你们的仓库里面？
我们生产出来，如果没有卖出去，就放在那边啊。
所以你们的许可证是哪里得到的？
许可证这个就是我们有申请啊，这些不是我去申请的，是那个我们三家的那个有在做这个去负责申请这些办手续的工人啊。
Yes, Miss Caroline.
So it's already included in all the permits that we have. Even the warehouse permit is also included there.
No, Sanja is a private company. FIVIDEC is a government facility. Sinong nagbigay ng permiso sa inyo na ang private steel ng Sanja ay pwedeng i-stock dun sa government facility ng FIVIDEC? Sino yung padrino doon?
所以你们在这个 FIBIDEC 这个仓库，您知道这个 FIBIDEC 的仓库吗？这个是政府拥有的这个地方，所以谁给您这个许可证，让你们把您的公司的钢铁存在这个仓库里面？
因为我们三家是给 PPD 租那个地来建的啊，我们三家的工厂嘛，是给那个 PPD 的这个开发区里面租地来建三家工厂的。
Yeah, because this area by FIBIDEC is the one that we rented, so that's why we are allowed to put in our products there.
No private company can rent a government facility, ganyan-ganyan lang. Sinong kausap nyo sa FIVIDEC para pumayag na i-rent nyo yan or basta ma-stock nyo ang steel produce ng Sanja sa FIVIDEC? Sinong kausap ninyo? Sinong kausap ng Sanja sa FIVIDEC?
Okay, 所以你们在 FIBIDEC 的联系人是谁？
啊
FIBIDEC 的联系人。
我们都是那个一个叫东海的那个，他懂得英文的那个，在跟 PPD 的在联系啊。
他叫什么？
叫东海。
东海，你叫做东海。The name of the person that I'm communicating with in FIBIDEC who knows how to speak English also is called 东海。
东海，Chino siya o Filipino siya?
他是哪国人
Madam Chair,
中国
if I
人。
may,
Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
maybe next hearing, Madam Chair, can we invite the manager or the chairman of PBDIC to give us enlightenment on this? Baka parang locator yung ginagawa nila, parang locator yung mga kumpanya dyan sa loob.
Alright.
Tanungin natin, Madam Chair, imbitahan natin.
Sino po ang manager o chair na ngayon na ating iimbitahin? Comsec,
Noon,
please.
alam ko, retired general yan eh. Retired general ng Armed Forces, pero I don't know ngayon kung sino nang bago.
Alright.
PBDIC.
We will do that, Senator De La Rosa. And before I recognize the majority leader, two matters urgently. Mr. Yang, iimbitahin namin next hearing yung manager or chair ng FIVIDEC, either retired general or kung sino ngayon ang manager o chair, dahil sa tingin ko rin, siya yung kausap nyo para makapag-stock ang isang private company sa isang government facility. And then, sa pending matter ng executive session, actually, we have a room available, pero pumasok din yung request ng counsel ni Guo Huaping na si Attorney David, who is also a resource person na sa next or last hearing na lang. So, kaming, and Madjo, just to update you, kaming mga members ng committee, ready kami to go into executive session now. We have a room available, but in a way, it's also partly your call, no? Handa ka na ba ngayon or sa susunod na hearing pa? Pero ngayon na sana, Miss Alice, Guo Huaping, ako naniniwala ako sa timeliness ng mga bagay-bagay. If I may, yes, kung maaari po, Majority Leader, I'd just like to make a brief closing remark before we suspend, and then unless may violent objections, mag-move into executive session na po tayo. Tony Yang, alias Antonio Maestrado Lim, real name Yang Jianqin, has made many stunning revelations. He admitted that he is a Chinese national who co-opted a Filipino identity to establish businesses here. He admitted that he was born in China, thus admitting that his Filipino birth certificate is fake. He admitted to having no boss and being the boss of his businesses. Ang problema, at least one of those businesses involves a POGO connected to Bamban with its own slew of illegal activities. Hindi lang negosyo ang patagon nilang tinatayo dito. Sindikato. And it's not only Filipino identities they have co-opted, unti-unting lumalabas sa hearings natin na pati mga opisyal at institusyon ng gobyerno ay unti-unti nilang napapas sa kamay. Zhao Xiaoqi, sorry if I did not pronounce it correctly, has admitted that he offered 1 million pesos to ensure special treatment for his wife and grandchild. Senator Joel had reported that Tony Yang had police escorts with him at the Laguindingan Airport. It appears that POGO influence has taken hold in the local governments of Bamban, Porac, Sual, and possibly Homalig. Malamang ay hindi pa buo ang kwentong ito at lumalabas na pati law enforcers ay posibleng na kompromiso. This creeping invasion must be halted. Nagpanggap kayong Pilipino at ginawa niyong pugad ng krimen ang bansa namin. Pero hindi niyo kami kilala. Hindi kami papayag po dito. I had a hope that this would be the last hearing, but there are revelations that warrant further investigations and individuals whose side needs to be heard. In the interest of fairness, General Acorda will be invited to the next hearing. Again, Ms. Sheila Guo, your contempt citation is lifted. I'm informed that the court sheriff is here to serve subpoenas to Cassandra Ong for human trafficking and Guo Huaping and Zhang Mir for money laundering. The OSAA is instructed to extend the necessary assistance.